Yon, good morning investor and welcome again to Buhay Ahente. So for today's video, I'm going to show you our 2-bedroom unit here in Park McKinley West na merong rent-to-own terms. Pwede nga tayo mag-move in dito, at least 10% down payment lamang. So this is the 2-bedroom 106 to 110 square meter. So upon entering, we will be greeted by your kitchen. So by the way, this is semi-furnished na nga pala. So pagpasok natin, this will be your kitchen. Meron na tayong mga cabinets dyan. Ganyan na yung finish ng kitchen nyo. So on other side, this will be your maid's quarter or pwede nyo siyang convert as a guest room. Ang maganda dito, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So meron na tayong water closet, meron na tayong shower dyan, as in kompleto na rin. And this spacious space naman will be your living and dining space. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron din tayong split type aircon na included na mismo dito sa unit mo. Meron tayong access sa balcony mo at ang pwede mo maging view dito is the Makati City skyline na sobrang ganda. Unobstructed nga siya dahil yung katapat na property natin has only 10 floors. So this will be your space for kitchen, living, and dining space. So sobrang ma-enjoy nyo talaga yung living and dining sa sobrang lawak niya. And this space naman will be your bed space or bedrooms. So sa bedroom nyo, meron tayo ditong modular closet, meron tayong split type aircon included na rin, and meron din tayong access to balcony. Yung flooring nga natin dito is ceramic wood plank na. And on the other side will be the common toilet and bath. Sa common toilet and bath nyo, what you see here is what you get. Meron na tayong lavatory, water closet, glass partition, and rain shower. And eto naman yung pinakang master bedroom. So sa master bedroom, sobrang spacious niya. Yung flooring natin, ceramic wood plank, meron tayong modular closet, and meron din tayong sariling bathroom dito sa master bedroom nyo. Mirror is included, water closet, lavatory, rain shower, and glass partition is included na mismo dito. So dito rin sa master bedroom, meron din tayong access sa balcony. So we are offering rent-to-own terms on this property or on this 2-bedroom unit. Or at least 10% down payment, pwede ka nang mag-move in dito. And kung gusto mo na mas makakuha ng mas malaking discount, we are offering 25% cash discount on this 2-bedroom unit. So this is 106 to 110 square meter. And this is perpetual ownership and of course, pet-friendly din itong property na ito. So for more details, comment down below or message me directly. So, if you wanna know more, again, I am Jared Bagdayi and welcome to Buhay Ahente. Salam.